Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this really cool amazing number trick, and it works 100%. You can amaze anyone with this number trick. So basically what you have to do is that you just have to copy this thing. Okay, so you just draw 13 circles and fill them with number from 1 to 13. Okay, you can arrange them in circle or in oval. And what you do is that you ask your friend to think of a number between 1 and 13. Okay, think of a number between 1 and 13, and they can think of any number. Okay, and what you tell them is that you are going to point these numbers, each numbers, by your marker randomly. Okay, and as soon as you start pointing each number, they'll have to begin counting from the same number they have thought of up to 20. If they have thought of number 11 and you start pointing like from here, then they'll have to start counting from 12, and you point here up to 13, here 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and as soon as their counting reach 20, they'll have to say stop. Okay, so wherever they are, they'll have to say stop. Okay, so let's give it a try. Suppose they have thought of a number, let's say 8. Okay, and now what you have to do is that you start pointing like 9, like from here, and they'll have to start counting from 9, 10, 11, and then 12, and 13, and 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and they'll say stop. Okay, and when they say stop, they'll you'll reach to their number. Okay, so this is their number, this will be their number. Okay, so how does this trick works? So what you have to do is that you ask your friend to think of a number between 1 and 13, and they are free to think any numbers, and you tell them that you are going to point each numbers. Okay, you are going to point any numbers randomly, and they'll have to start counting from the same number they have thought of up to 20, and when they reach 20, they'll have to say stop. Okay, so what's the trick is that while pointing you can point at any random numbers for the first 5 countings. For the first 5 countings, you can point at any random numbers, like if they thought of number 10. Okay, if they have thought of number 10, and while you are pointing, then you can point at any random numbers for the first 5 countings, like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any random numbers, and their counting will reach like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, up to 5. Okay, their counting reach 15, and your pointing is 5. Okay, so for the first 5 counting, you can point at any random numbers, and after that what you have to do is that you will have to point anti-clockwise starting from number 1. Okay, for the first 5 counting, you point at any random numbers, like here 3, 4, 5. Okay, we reach 5, and now you start pointing from this number 1, and then you go here, and all the way to here, and tell them to stop. Say stop whenever they are counting reach 20. Okay, so let's suppose that they have thought of number 10. Okay, and you start pointing like let's point any 5 random numbers for the first 5 counting, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these are any random numbers, and their counting will reach up to 15. Right, you have pointed 5 numbers, so their counting will reach at 15, like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And what you do, you start pointing from here, and you go anti-clockwise, so 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and here they will say stop, and this is their number 10 right here. So let's give it another try. Okay, so let's suppose they have thought of number 7. Okay, we don't know that, so they have thought of number 7, and what you do, you start pointing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first random pointings, and their counting will reach up to 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so their counting will reach up to 12. Now what you do, you start pointing from here. They'll count 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and in 20 they'll reach at their number, and they will be shocked. Okay, so this is how this trick works. So let me know in the comments below, and thank you very much.